Friends, I, Shelja Monga, Principal BBS Indo-Canadian School, would like to wish everybody a very happy Mother's Day. I would like to take an opportunity, in fact, to thank all the wonderful mothers of the world for putting in all the sincere efforts to raise a tender heart, that is, a child. You are the child's first mentor. You are the child's first teacher. You are the child's first guide. You are the child's first sculptor who try and shape up the beautiful heart, turning into a beautiful citizen of the nation. You have a power to change the world. You have a power to create the world which we all dream about. Thank you for being the wonderful mothers, and I request you all to pamper yourself, to appreciate yourself, and love yourself. Thank you.
Namaste everyone. I'm Anshana Pal, Principal, GEMS Public School, Bathinda. On this very special day of Mother's Day, I want to wish all the marvelous moms across the globe. It's a special bond that spans the years through laughter, worry, smiles and tears. A sense of trust that cannot be broken, a depth of love, sometimes unspoken. A lifelong friendship built on sharing, hugs and kisses, warmth and caring. Mothers and daughter, their hearts as one, a link that can never be undone. Thank you.
Everyone, myself JP Singh, Principal BCM School, Basant City, Ludhiana. I sincerely wish Happy Mother's Day to everyone. Thank you.
Hello everyone, Sanju Babbar, Principal of Punjab Public School this side. A very happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful moms of the world. आज का दिन मैं उन माताओं को समर्पित करना चाहती हूँ जिनके अपने बच्चे इस कोविड-19 की लड़ाई में फ्रंट वॉरियर सीट पर काम कर रहे हैं. I especially thank those mothers and want to wish them a very happy Mother's Day. We are very proud of you. Thank you.
मैं राकेश कुमार शर्मा, प्रिंसिपल सिल्वर ओक इंटरनेशनल स्कूल टांडा, संसार भर की उन देवियों के आगे नतमस्तक हूँ जिन्हें माँ बनने का सौभाग्य प्राप्त हुआ है. मेरी माँ को स्टार बने हुए आज 10 साल से अधिक हो चुके हैं, लेकिन उसकी गोद का वो अनुभव संसार के सारे सुखों से बढ़कर था. मैं एक बार फिर संसार भर की माताओं के सामने नतमस्तक हूँ और श्रद्धा सुमन प्रकट करता हूँ.
A mother's love is more beautiful than any fresh flower. Hello, I'm Dr. Jyoti Thakur, Principal of Greenland Public School, Dinanagar. So today is Mother's Day and we all the principals are very lucky कि हम लोगों के पास स्कूल में जितने भी बच्चे हैं वो सब अपने हैं. तो हम उन सब बच्चों की प्रिंसिपल के साथ साथ एक माँ भी हैं. So that's very true. एक माँ ही है जो दिल से बच्चे को प्यार करती है. तो मेरी तरफ से आप सबको हैप्पी मदर्स डे.
इस पृथ्वी पर सभी माताओं को नीरज मोहनपुरी का कोटि कोटि प्रणाम. आयु पुमान यश स्वर्ग कीर्ति पुण्यम बलम श्रेयम पशु सुखम धन्यम धान्यम प्राप्त्यम वंदना. अर्थात any person who truthfully serves to his mother or motherland is always healthy, wealthy, have name, fame, get success, prosperity and everything.
Greetings to all. My name is Indu Arora, Principal Green Valley Convent School, Nihal Singhwala, District Moga. Today is Mother's Day, but I don't find one day is enough to express our love and gratitude towards a mother. Mother is ocean of love. She is a symbol of sacrifice. She sacrifices throughout her life for the upbringing of her children, but she never complains. What we can give to mother? We can give our time to mother. She wants to be heard. She just wants love and affection from the children, nothing else. She doesn't need fancy objects and materialistic things. To all the mothers, I wish a very happy Mother's Day, and I just want to convey, raise the strong children who are ready to face all challenges of life. Only then we can contribute towards a strong community. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Meenu Sharma, Principal of St. Soldier Modern School, Batala, and today I want to share my writing that I have written on this Mother Day. The best relation that life provides is the love of a mother, a priceless prize. Selfless and unconditional love that no one can provide, no matter how hard the life is, she is the one who is always behind. Blessed are those who have mothers on their side. Respect and obey her. Your destiny will always be. She is the one who always finds her happiness in your smile. She plays multiple roles. To provide comfort in your life. And the great thing is, even then, she never cries. All that she does, never in a hope of reward. She does this as you live in her heart. Today, if you are thinking to wish her by saying Happy Mother's Day only, then do you think it will be right? Do you think it will be right? Instead, promise her that you will make her life happy throughout her life. Happy.
On this auspicious occasion of Universal Mother's Day, we offer our grateful salutation to all the mothers of the world, who are ultimately the reflection of unconditional love, mercy, and compassion in the society. A mother not only gives birth, her unconditional love is the foundation for establishing trust and emotional intimacy in the child's life. She is the first teacher, not only teaching basic skills for survival, but also inculcating values to shape the child conscience. She is the protector, the nurturer, the one person who will always be there for you. On this occasion, let us honor not only our mothers, but all those people who have played a motherly figure in our lives. It can be our mothers themselves, or our grandmothers, or our aunts, or a teacher, a mentor who have loved us, shown unconditional affection towards us, basically devoted their lives to us. To all the mothers of the world, a very happy Mother's Day.
नमस्कार, मैं उपमा महाजन, प्रिंसिपल सुमित्रा देवी आर्य सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल दीनानगर से। आज जब सुबह रसिक सर का संदेश मिला कि मातृ दिवस के उपलक्ष्य में कुछ कहें, तो अचानक ही मन में कुछ भाव आए जिनको मैंने कलमबद्ध किया, आप सबसे साझा करना चाहूँगी कि माँ के लिए मैं क्या कहूँ। माँ से ही तो मैं हूँ, माँ के प्यार से सब है भरे, माँ तो है शब्दों से परे। देती आंचल का दुलार, उसकी डांट में भी है प्यार। वो है तो सब है खुश, उसकी मुस्कान भगाए दुख। माँ मेरा जीवन आधार, माँ से ही सारा संसार। इसलिए मैं यही संदेश देना चाहूँगी कि माँ की परिभाषा तो कुछ भी नहीं हो सकती, क्योंकि माँ सर्वव्यापक है, हम सब में विद्यमान है, हम सब में माँ का एक स्वरूप, एक झलक मौजूद है। और मैं आज के दिवस नमन करती हूँ उन सब माँओं को जिन्होंने अपने बच्चों का जीवन तराशा है, संवारा है, और आज भी वो अनथक प्रयास हमेशा जारी है। आज के दिवस यही संदेश के साथ मैं अपनी वाणी को विराम देती हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Mamta Anand, Principal of Holy Heart Public School, Chhajli, Sangrur. First of all, Happy Mother's Day to all. I am also a mother, and my mom, She is very cute. A mother loves you more than everyone. She is the only one who is with you in any situation. Her love is so strong as no any other is here in this world. She doesn't show her problems but always gives you a smile. She is the first teacher. I am thanking you so much, Mom, for your appreciation, for a lot of love you have given me. Love you, Mom. Thank you.
Shelley, working as principal at St. Teresa Convent School, located in Panchkula. The first thing that I want to say is, mother is the glue which holds the family together. Even when she is not physically present with you, and she may not be with you right there in the moment, but she is always there. So that being the first thought, I am so thankful to all the mothers in my life who have been guiding force and who have always been the support that I wanted, right from the day when I slipped and fell while learning to walk, and right into my own motherhood. They have been a force of guidance, and thanking all the mothers out there who have been nurturing and building beautiful relations with the families that they belong to, and have been carrying on the responsibility of bringing in wealth into our societies. Thank you all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Sharda Dutt, Principal of MSK International School, Talwandi, Radia. Today is a Mother's Day. I would like to wish to all mothers Happy Mother's Day, and also thanks to them that they are helping our students at home in studies. And once again, Happy Mother's Day. Thank you. Thanks.
मैं शालिनी राणा, महाराणा प्रताप स्कूल की प्रिंसिपल, आज आप सबको इंटरनेशनल मदर्स डे मातृ दिवस की बधाई देती हूँ। मैं सब बच्चों से अनुरोध करना चाहती हूँ कि माँ की पूरी इज्जत करें, माँ के साथ रहें और माँ के दिए हुए इस काम को पूरा करने की पूरी कोशिश करें। इस दौर में सबसे ज़्यादा मुश्किल है माँओं को, बच्चे भी देखने हैं, घर भी देखना है, खाना भी देना है, सब कुछ करने के बावजूद वो पूरी तरह से डेडिकेटेड है। मैं सभी माँओं को बहुत बधाई देती हूँ आज के इस मातृ दिवस की।
मैं रंजना आनंद, प्रिंसिपल चौधरी बलबीर सिंह पब्लिक स्कूल होशियारपुर की तरफ से मदर्स डे पर कुछ कहना चाहती हूँ। वैसे तो ये वेस्टर्न कल्चर है, लेकिन इंडियन कल्चर में मातृ पूजन हर रोज़ किया जाता है। वैसे तो बचपन से ही हमें अपने माता पिता की पूजा बचपन से ही सिखाई जाती है। इस समय सारा विश्व जिन परिस्थितियों से गुजर रहा है, उस समय हमें सबसे पहले अपने भारत माता, अपनी भूमि की सुरक्षा का प्रयत्न करना चाहिए, उसे बचाने के लिए प्रयत्न करना चाहिए। धन्यवाद।